There are many types of videos that have the potential to become famous in India, depending on your interest and the audience you want to target. Here are some ideas. Food and cooking. India has a rich culinary culture, and food-related content tends to do well on social media platforms. You could create videos showcasing traditional Indian recipes, street food tours, or even experiment with fusion recipes. Travel and tourism. India is a country with diverse landscapes and cultural experiences, and creating videos that highlight the beauty and uniqueness of different regions can attract a large audience. You could make travel vlogs, city tours, or adventure videos showcasing popular tourist spots. Music and dance. India has a long tradition of music and dance, and videos that feature local artists or showcase cultural performances can attract a lot of attention. You could create videos that feature different types of Indian music, dance styles, or even create music videos that incorporate Indian instruments or elements. Comedy and satire. Indians love to laugh, and videos that showcase humor or satire can be very popular. You could create comedy skits, parody videos, or even social commentary videos that are humorous and entertaining. Education and awareness. Videos that educate or create awareness about social issues or important topics can attract a lot of attention. You could create videos that provide information on health and wellness, environmental issues, or even videos that provide career guidance or advice.